Apart from the pre-made blocks, you can also use entire pre-made layouts to kickstart your web page design. Click on Start Building Your Page, and from the Blocks Manager, select Layouts. On the left, you can filter through the categories and then select any of the layouts that you find suitable for the site you are designing. You can preview it and go back. Choose another one, and once you find a suitable layout, make sure that you select at the bottom, Replace Global Styling. This will make sure that the theme colors are also imported. Next, select Import this layout. And in a jiffy, the page is completely imported onto your page with all the content. All that's left for you to do is to go ahead and switch out the text and the images, and you can even make changes to the color styling. If you go to Global Styling on the left, you will see a new current style. A torno has been imported together with this page layout to make sure that it brings in all the full styling for this pre-made template.